Do you want Shopify to send data to your app automatically without refreshing, without pulling, and without checking orders manually? In this video, I will show you how to create a Shopify webhook and listen to it in your own server in just few minutes. Webhooks are one of the most powerful Shopify features that notify your server instantly whenever something happens, like a new order, a product update, or customer sign up. Okay, I created this simple Node.js application where I have installed the Express and there is a route webhook order create. We will listen the webhook over here, and whenever there is order created, we will get the response on this URL. So we cannot listen the webhook on local server. If I run this nodemon app.js index.js, and now our server is running on port 23, port 3000, and I have installed the Ngrok. Ngrok forward my localhost request to this URL. So we need this URL. So let's copy this and test this URL in the Postman. We will make a post request over here, and our route is /webhook/order/create. So we will send a post request over here for the testing purpose. Let's say ID 123 and title test, and let's run this. We get the response okay, and if I go back here, and you can see we have received webhook ID 123 and title test. So let's register this in our Shopify store. So whenever the order is created, we will be notified. So for this, you have to go to the settings and then go to the notification and click on the webhook, and from here create a new webhook and select order creation. Whenever the new order is created, we will get the data on this URL. I'll save that, and now this is my app, and if I send data to for test and go back to my application, you can see we have received the order data over here. So this is the test data. So let me go over here and try to create the real order. So whenever we have order on the website, we will be notified over here. So let's try to add this product, add to cart, and there are other products are in the cart. Let's go to the checkout, and let me just place the dummy order and continue. And payment method, I will use bogus gateway. One expiration any future date, and pay now. And now order is created, and if I go here, you will see the new data has arrived, and this is the information about my order, my address, and all the line items. We get all the notification over here, and I can use this data anywhere. If I want to forward this order to some other place, I can write the code and this order will be forwarded automatically in other destination. So let's try to create a new route for products. So so let me register a new route, and whenever the product is updated, we will get the update over here. So let's register this webhook as well. So I will copy the URL and go to my store setting, and then I go to the notification and webhooks and create a new webhook and product update. Whenever the product is uh, will be updated, we will be notified over here. And let me just get the right update URL. So webhook/product and update, and save that. And if I try to send test over here, and uh, you will see data in. Oh, okay. We didn't get the response yet. App.post.product updated. Okay, let me try to update the product over here. If I update the product and get notification test, update that and go back over here. Order create. Oh, okay. Product not found. Webhook product update not found. So there is product updates app.post not found product webhook add. There's a problem in the route. So let me just copy this. So webhook products update and go back to the notification and webhook, and let's edit that /webhook/product/update. This is the right one. And let me copy this and update. This is the same URL. Let me delete this one, create a new product update webhook/webhook products JSON format, and use the latest API and send the test data. And we still don't get the data of the product. Oh, I'm sorry, we have not saved the file over here. So this file was not saved. So let me send the test again. And now you can see we get the product information. This product was updated. And if I go here and just update the test again and save that, and now you will see we have new webhook data received, and you can see the title of this product is there is a title. This is the previous one. This is the product type. There's a checkout. Let me just clear this one and clear and run this application again and test again. Remove this and save that. And now you can see we have received the latest product information. And if I go to the top, you can see the product updated. This is the product ID, body HTML, handle, jacket, and the title is the jacket notification test, and all the information about the product. So there are so many webhook topics there. You can notify to any of them. There are so many like card creation, card update, checkout creation, checkout update, customer SMS marketing, customer creation, and inventory level, and so many things you can register. And you can, whenever this event happen, you can receive the information in your application. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.